Alright, this video is for creating a new jam. So to create a new jam, up at the upper right section is plus new jam. This will give you to a screen that says a couple of different options to enter your jam title. What I like to do is put the band name if I'm doing a cover song here first, such as Disturbed, Down with the Sickness. And there's a section for the artist. I'll just go ahead and put the artist name again. You have the choice, say, is this a cover song or an original song? And you have three choices as far as supplying the source tracks. You can upload a zip file that has multiple audio and video files. If you upload that, it will try to keep everything in line. You can use an existing YouTube link. So if you go to YouTube, pull up your video, copy this URL, and you can paste it right in here. Or you can start an empty jam. So one thing I wanted to mention, why am I putting the artist name in the title? You can look at some of these, such as this track here. It says Helloween, Keeper of the Seven Keys, whereas this one says English Tea. It's like, okay, well, who the hell is this by? Like, what band sang this? So the only way I've been able to tell where the artist is, because even if you go to, for example, this one here, it just says So Alone. So there's no section here showing who the artist is. The only way I've been able to figure that out is to click on their profile, to bring up their profile settings, and you'll see all their jams. And here is where you can see The Offspring as the artist. This is the only section that I've found to view this information. You can search for jams by the title, by the artist. They will show up here. So for example, this one, if I type Offspring, even though it doesn't say Offspring here, it knows that that was the artist. And here's So Alone. I'm going to go back here, and after you have created the jam, you can edit the information at any time by clicking Edit Info. Now you have to be the owner of the jam in order to edit this information, but you can rename it, such as putting the artist back in here in the song name. You can change the genre. You can change the category. Is it a remix? Is it an instructional video? And you can also change the visibility options. You have public, followers, network, and private. Okay, so what does that mean? I'm going to go through the visibility. Public is your default. That means anybody can record on your jam. If you set it to followers, anybody following the owner or that the owner follows can record on the jam. Network means anybody following the owner or that the owner follows, their followers 2 levels deep can record on the jam. And so it's a much broader scope. And then private means only people you invite to the jam can see the jam and record on it. If you don't want people playing on your jams, if you have problems with anybody, you can go to their profile. You pick on James here, and you can right click or you can left click on these three little dots and block them, and that will block all communications. That concludes this video. Thanks.